a candle bright, then death must be the wind. You can close your window tight, but it still comes blowing in. So I will climb the highest hill and watch the rising sun. And I pray that I don't feel the chill till I'm too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. Now I have had some dear sweet friends I thought would never die. The only thing that's left of them is this teardrop in my eye. If I could have one wish today and know it would be done, I'd pray the ones I love could stay till they're too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die young. Let me watch my children grow to see what they become. Oh Lord, don't let that cold wind blow till I'm too old to die
Now, Dan Hugott says that if I put new strings on my guitar, it'll ring longer at the end of the songs. Is that really true?
That is a true.
I never knew that.
Did you want it to?
How do you
It's
like
a
that?
natural fact.
Well, okay, I'm going to remember that. I might put new strings on one of these days just to prove you right or wrong or
Okay,
something.
remembering it is the first
What?
step.
To moving forward.
Yes.
And believe me, folks, we can all move forward in one way or another, guaranteed. Anyway, we're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Paul, nice opener.
Oh, thanks.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Business is good, and I'm, down at Knott's a few days a week, and we're still having fun.
Good, good, good.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm dedicating that one and my whole everything I do today. I'm dedicating to our good friend Steve Duncan, who died last week. Wonderful drummer and a great guy. Member of the Desert Rose Band. That's why I'm wearing the rose shirt.
I love that.
And just a terrific, terrific guy. And
He was a good guy, and the thing amazed me about his, first of all, he was a really good drummer.
Great drummer.
Good time,
Yep.
and good, all around good guy.
All around.
But he would have his snare drum on a slant,
Oh yeah.
like that. I mean, most drummers, how do you do yours? You tilted just a little, right?
It was hard to play a set.
Yeah, it was, because
First of all, you had to have like 16-inch hi-hats.
16-inch hi-hats,
Yeah,
which is a
15 or
little
16.
big.
They're big.
Yeah.
And then he would have this so close. It was like, whoa, how does that dude do
So
that?
he was comfortable with
And
what
then-
he
and
came
then
up
the
with.
ride cymbal, boom, okay.
Oh, wow.
That was right
And then that
there.
big slanty.
And it's just right
You
there.
couldn't put anything on the snare drum; it would just fall off. All you could do was play it.
And for a long time, he'd walk in to a gig like with 3 minutes to go, and carrying a bunch of rototoms,
Yeah.
like on one stand. Jump in,
Put 'em down.
put 'em down, start
And
playing.
be on time. Well, I'm going to tell you, I was so blessed, Susie and I, because every August, we take our trip across the country, and we see a bunch of really great people. And this year, 2 years ago, it might have been the year before last, we decided to go to Branson. Now, Branson has lost a lot of its glory because a lot of the big showrooms at, Roy Clark, Glenn Campbell, Mel Tillis, all of them, Bucko, they all had theaters there. Well, a lot of those have closed down since, and they still have a lot of entertainment. We went there, and Steve Duncan was living only 30 miles from there, so close to Branson. I called him. I said, Steve, I'm in town, we're on vacation. What are you doing? He says, I'm doing a gig tonight. And he says, do you have any stuff? I said, yeah, I bring it because I play with, whoever I can play with across the country. He said, well, come on down. And we grabbed some lunch, Sue and I. We drove about 30 miles, went to this very nice, it was kind of like a senior center, but it was more like almost like a nightclub.
Yeah.
I mean, it was really cool the way they had it set up. Guitar player was so nice to me and happy to meet me, and we had more fun playing off each other. And I got to play the whole night with Steve Duncan.
It's so great.
So thank you, Steve. We love you. You know that. Even though he and I, I'm not going to say we're bosom buddies. Like you and I are family, right? Because we go way back. Now kids, we all know each other. Steve and I were not like that, but professionally, we were cool. We got to a nightclub. He'd say play, and I'd let him play.
Great guy. Always
Good guy.
upbeat.
Had a lot of fun.
And he and I were very close, and we wrote some songs together.
Yes.
And we just had a great time playing together for years in Ronnie Mac's Barn Dance Band.
How about his license plate?
I'd seen on. Now how would I know that?
Okay, well,
His license plate.
I
Go
know.
ahead.
So it said no drums. I'm sorry, it said Mo drums.
Mo
And then when I saw his wife's, it said no drums. And hers said Mo drums. Yeah, it was funny. Like it was like I could see.
So his license said Mo drums, and his wife said no drums.
That's correct.
Well,
I said, well, now that
sounds
makes
like a
that
perfect
that
marriage
makes
to
that
me.
So when you go to his house, you see him parked there. You just went, okay, I get it now. That's funny.
Well, she was Tom Brumley's daughter, right?
Well, we send our love out to her. Yes.
Yes.
Tracy Brumley.
And I met her
Tracy
that,
Duncan, beautiful
when we
woman.
were back there, but I didn't know. I knew Tom because not close, but we played gig.
Yeah.
We all played with Tom
They're
Brumley.
a great country music family.
Yes, good people. Okay, that's enough with
Okay.
that. Steve, we're gonna miss you. We love you. Go ahead, Paul.
Okay, let's do Gone, Gone, Gone.
Sure.
Yeah, I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. Well, if I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder she's 1 second farther from me. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther down the track. Well, the more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther down the track.
I was swinging pretty long, but
Oh, yeah.
for old strings, it's still ring. I'm gonna check my tuning. I'm sorry to do that to you folks, but push like and push share if you're watching the show on Facebook. When you see it on YouTube, it'll be up in, if not tonight, by tomorrow, because we always upload it later. Push push subscribe. Hey, we broke 300 subscribers. We got 310. We're getting there. So,
We break those subscribers.
well, we need as many of those as we can get, because then you start getting bigger audiences. They start letting what do they call it with the thing, the Bible? They do something. It's hey, what's it called? Algorithm, which I have no idea. That might be a good beat. Have you ever heard of that?
It's the Alpo.
You're a
rhythm.
drummer. Algorithm. You've never
Yeah,
heard of
he used to be a good friend of mine. Old
Oh,
algorithm. Algorithm.
It's an algo?
My
Is that what-
pal.
I don't know. I'm probably saying it wrong. Hey, maybe I'll do one.
This is going to be an algorithm right here.
I'm going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy me. That's where I get my frustration out for the week.
That's a moving song there.
Well, it is. You ought to hear Tom at Knott's play that stuff. He pushes me to like the end.
Wow.
He's got the fastest right hand I've ever seen. Anyway, Paul, hit us.
Yes, sir.
Dan, you want to do one? I'm forgetting about Dan. After this. Okay.
Let's do another halftime.
Hang on, folks. We got Dan Hugott coming up. Right after Paul finishes whatever we're doing here.
Let's do another halftime thing, the key of E.
Key of E.
Sing at home. To carry me home, swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home.
happen that way. Ask me if I miss my baby. I guess I will every day. Like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then He left me on my own. And helped me be my heart, got the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I guess we're all been around that block, huh? Sometimes things just happen that we just don't like. I think the big test there is how do you handle it?
How do you handle it?
That's up to you. Good
Go
luck.
forward.
You
Go
got every
forward.
once in a while, you got to dig yourself out of the ditch. That's what I say. I kid with my kids and I tell them this. Now, I'm no philosopher. I mean, I don't know, but
I
every
think
mom,
you are, Carmen.
Well, no. Every mom and dad has their little thing that they think is, something they thought of.
I've
right?
learned a lot from you.
Well, I've
Carmen.
learned a lot from you too, and so we all have. We can learn from everybody if we just listen.
I guess so.
But real quick, without getting too deep, I always tell my kids, two major things to look for in life. One is stay out of the ditches, and watch out for the ambushes. Those two things get you a long way. So good luck. What do you got?
Let's do The End Is Not in Sight.
I love that song.
Yes, I knew it all along. I have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. So I cried out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, and that sweet little darling mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay her head upon my shoulder. Yes, I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight.
minute. Excuse me, folks. Yeah. Thanks for watching our show. You know, we have so much fun doing this.
The baby don't get.
And we just thank you for watching. We had a pretty good crowd last week, Kim. Yeah, a lot of people looked at the show, and I appreciate that. Really do. What do you got, Dan?
Let's do Memphis.
I love that song.
E.
Okay, Memphis.
Okay.
One, two, go.
Long distance information, give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party that tried to get in touch with me. She didn't need a number, but I know who takes the call. Her phone took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who called me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on a ridge, just half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. Last time I saw Marie, she was waving me goodbye. When hurricane drops on her cheek, that tremble from her eye. Though we were pulled apart, as a monumental tree, they tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Help me information, more than that I cannot add. Only that I miss her and all the fun we had. Marie's only 6 years old, information please. Try to put me through to her in Memphis,
Don't let it ring.
Well, that one I don't think you're supposed to let
Oh.
ring.
You
I
can't
think
let that one
was-
ring.
That would have been a waste of new
It would have been a waste
strings.
of ringing.
A waste of new
You
strings.
know, yeah.
If you had them.
If I had them. What do they cost? I haven't changed my string. You know, we figured it out at Knott's the other night. This is a true story, folks. And I've worked down there quite a bit since before COVID. for about a year. Then we took a year off. Then I went back. I've been there about 5, 6 years, right? I broke 2 strings in 6 years. You know what that cost me?
No.
I mean, I don't make that much money down there to buy 2 strings in 6 years. I mean, you know, it's overhead. But anyway, so it's like stealing. You know, these strings, I just never change them and they never break, and I just keep playing. So I don't know. Anyway, so we've got a few more minutes. Paul, want to do another one?
Let's do I'll Be There Before the Next Dang Teardrop
I
Falls.
love that
G. One, two, 1, 2. If he brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to dry away any teardrops that you cry. And if we ever need to, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Though it hurts to let you go, darling, I want you to know that I'll stand by you if ever you should call. And if I should ever hear that he made you shed a tear, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to dry away any teardrops that you cry. And if he ever makes you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there before the next teardrop
Freddie Fender, man, what a singer. You getting that okay there? Sounds pretty good.
I'm happy.
No, I am too. I love what I'm hearing. We got time for one more, two more, what?
15 minutes.
We still got 15 minutes? Well, I mean, I'm happy with it. Folks, I don't want you to think I'm waiting to get out of here. But I am kind of going to a big party tonight with
Big party.
some fun people, and but I'm still not in a hurry. I got plenty of time.
It's only the first set. We got lots of time.
I'm going to be doing the next set at the party. Anyway, February 19th, 6:30 in the evening, we're going to be at the Archery Museum over there by Zoo, by the Griffith Park Zoo, where all the big trains are and all that. You'll see it. Gene Autry Museum, look it up. August 19th, Thursday night, 6:30. We're all going to be there with Gary Swan and Tom Paul Wilson. And maybe, who knows, maybe we'll get some other people to come up. It'll be fun. Okay, don't be late.
Okay.
Go ahead, hit us.
Okay. Let's do Hey Good Looking and let's see. 251.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe
funny. How much more time we got? Let's see. What else can I do? Blue. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me. I'm holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue, broken-hearted me. Show me, Paul. Felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Blue and Broken-Hearted Me. Gib Gilbo wrote that song with another fellow. I can't think of the other guy's name, but I'll never forget Gib. You got one more? We're going to go home.
Got one more.
Thank you, folks, for watching. We had a little bit of fun, and I hope you enjoyed the show. Write in, say nice things about us. It makes all these guys up here feel good. And keep watching.